Most significant change training began today as project managers or recipients of donor funds went over what changes they have seen in terms of prevention and awareness campaigns targeting the fight against HIV and AIDS. The workshop, hosted by the Health Department and SBC, looks at training leaders and decision makers on ways that they can use MSC as a monitoring and evaluation tool by considering past experiences to improve or revamp campaigns. Large amounts of donor funding have been invested in HIV/STI prevention measures and activities from agencies such as PRHP, Response Fund, ADB and the Global Fund. By the end of the training, the aim is to increase the knowledge of recipient organizations and also to provide decision makers in the HIV and STI programs in Niue. Training will continue until next week. We will bring you more on the outcomes of the workshop in our future news bulletin.